Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen again, guys. It's fantastic. I want to give you a lovely recipe today, and I know you guys will love this one, so please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and at least 500 likes, 500 comments will be brilliant for me. Thank you so much for tuning into the show. Remember to follow me on Instagram and also Facebook, Twitter, and we are there for you with the best recipe ever. So listen, guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere and watch this video. This video is amazing recipe for my fans them. So stay tuned, and as I said, one love from Chef Ricardo on the team. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe, and a lot more stuff coming out your way. Stay tuned. Lovely and nice. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, I'm going to make you a blueberry and also some berry smoothie today with some milk. I'm gonna make you this one is a blueberry smoothie with some berry right here. So first thing, I've got at least 125 grams of blueberry right here. I'm gonna pop that straight in my smoothie blender right here. You can get this at the local shop to buy or the supermarket, High Street, you know what I mean? Next thing I got right here, I have roughly 125 grams of the berry. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of my blender right like this. Lovely and nice. Then I'm going to pop some honey inside of it. Roughly about a teaspoon of honey. And I'm gonna pop some ice to free. Then we're going to put some milk, 125 grams of milk also. Put a little bit more milk. Cover. And blend this about 3 to 4 minutes if you have a good blender, alright? Very easy recipe. Just finished blend that nice lovely drink, and all I'm going to do is to share it up with my fans and see exactly. Look at this. Really nice and lovely and fantastic drink, guys. And I know you guys will love that one because it is an amazing recipe. So please subscribe, leave your comments below, tell me what you think about this blueberry and berry drink. It is amazing with some milk and ice and honey. That's it. Summer is coming up, and I know my fans are gonna be happy this summer because Chef Ricardo always come with some new ideas, new things to make you guys happy. Please, 500 likes, 500 comments. I'm really happy with this one. So guys, let's stay tuned. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. You can drink this in the morning and also in the evening and also anytime you feel like you can have this drink. So thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more recipe. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere and watch more video coming. It's Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.